CyberChef, GCHQ's open-source cyber Swiss Army knife, a web app that runs 479 operations for encryption, encoding, compression, hashing, parsing, and data analysis, all client-side in your browser. Base64, hex, AES, DES, blowfish, cha-cha, X509 parsing, IPv6 parsing, every compression algorithm, every hash function, recipes you build by dragging operations into a list. 35,000 GitHub stars, Apache 2.0, v11.0.0, shipped April 28th. Hosted live at gchq.github.io/cyberchef, or run it in Docker. If you do security work and have not memorized this URL yet, today is the day. Pull up gchq.github.io/cyberchef on mobile or desktop. 4-panel layout, operations on the left, recipe in the middle, input on the right, output below it. Drag any operation from the left into the recipe, and the output bakes automatically. The whole thing is one HTML file. No server, no account, no telemetry. Your data never leaves the browser. The About page lists every operation by category. The docs cover advanced patterns. The app loaded at this URL is the same code that ships in the Docker image, the same code that builds from the GitHub repo. There is no hosted-only feature you cannot self-host. GCHQ, the UK's Signals Intelligence Agency, the British equivalent of the NSA, ships CyberChef as an Apache-licensed open-source project on GitHub, and has maintained it for years. That is the rare case of a state intelligence agency releasing and continuing to support a widely trusted tool that the broader security community relies on every day. The codebase is 35,000 stars, 4,000 forks, JavaScript with a thin HTML and CSS layer, and active maintenance, v11.0.0, dropped in late April with another major operation pass. 479 operations is the headline number, and it is worth thinking about what that covers. Encoding, base64, hex, URL, every text encoding under the sun. Encryption, AES, DES, blowfish, cha-cha, RC4, triple DES, every cipher and mode you would ever need to round-trip ciphertext through. Hashing, MD5, SHA1, SHA256, SHA3, Blake2, every checksum and HMAC variant including the obscure ones. Parsing, X509 certificates, IPv6 addresses, JSON, ASN.1, ELF binaries, even the weird formats you only hit during an incident. Compression, XZIP, ZLib, bzip2, raw inflate, every decompression you might hit in a malware sample. Plus entropy analysis, regex, character substitution, binary munging, hex dump generation, and a long tail of niche operations that exist because someone needed them once. The breadth is the point. Whatever you need to do to a byte string, the operation exists, and you do not have to remember which library implements it. Recipes are the killer abstraction. A recipe is an ordered list of operations applied to the input. Drag a from base64 from the left panel into the recipe column, then a URL decode underneath it, then an entropy operation. CyberChef bakes the recipe automatically every time you change an argument. The recipe state lives in the URL fragment. Copy the URL, send it to a colleague, they open it, and the same recipe is loaded and baked against whatever input they paste. Recipes are also JSON. You can paste a JSON recipe into the recipe column or version control it in a Git repo. That URL as recipe state design is what makes CyberChef shareable in a way no desktop tool ever was. Magic is the operation that solves the most common analyst problem. You have a blob of data and no idea what encoding it is under. Drop the blob into input, click the magic wand on the output panel. CyberChef tries every encoding it knows in sequence, ranks the candidates by likelihood, and shows you which decode chains produce sensible output. It is the difference between an hour of trial and error and 30 seconds of click-through. Especially useful in CTF challenges, malware triage, and any incident where the first artifact you see is a base64 of a gzip of a hex of something weird. Breakpoints turn CyberChef into a data debugger. Click the breakpoint icon next to any operation in the recipe, and execution pauses before that operation runs. Step through one operation at a time. See the intermediate output at every stage. Find which operation in a 15-step recipe is mangling your data. Same primitive as a code debugger, but for data transformations instead of code execution. It is what makes complex recipes maintainable. When something goes wrong 6 operations in, you do not have to bisect by deleting operations one at a time. You set a breakpoint and step through. Client-side is the design property that makes CyberChef trusted in security workflows. Your data never leaves the browser. No server-side execution, no upload, no telemetry. When you are looking at a malware sample, a sensitive log, a credential dump, the analyst's question is always, can I put this in the tool? CyberChef is the answer of yes, because there is no operator to trust. Files up to about 2 gigabytes work depending on browser, and the entire app builds to a single self-contained HTML file you can save locally. Open it offline on an air-gapped machine, and every operation still works. Over on GitHub, the project lives at github.com/gchq/cyberchef. 35,000 stars, 4,000 forks, JavaScript at 97%. The SRC tree has operations grouped by category. Each operation is a single JavaScript module with a uniform interface, which is why the catalog can scale to nearly 500 entries without becoming a mess. The Releases tab shows V11 cut in April with the operation pass that bumped the count to 479. Contributing Guide walks new contributors through writing an operation, pick a missing primitive, write a module, add tests, submit a PR. That is how the catalog has grown to where it is. CyberChef is a simple, intuitive web app for carrying out all manner of cyber operations within a web browser. CyberChef read me. That sentence understates what the tool actually is. 479 operations, recipe sharing through URL fragments, magic auto detection, breakpoints for data debugging, fully client-side, self-hostable as a single HTML file or a Docker image. If you do any kind of security or data analysis work, CyberChef is the Swiss Army knife in your bookmarks bar, and the URL is gchq.github.io/cyberchef. Apache licensed, GCHQ maintained, community grown over years to the kind of breadth no single team could have shipped alone. 3 ways to use it. 1. Bookmark gchq.github.io/cyberchef and use it from your browser whenever you need it. 2. Docker run -it -p8080 dghcr.io/gchq/cyberchef. Latest for your own local instance, useful for air-gapped environments. 3. Git clone the repo and npx gruntprod to build a single self-contained HTML file you can ship to a USB stick and run offline on a machine that has never seen the internet. Apache 2.0, 35,000 GitHub stars, 479 operations as of v11.0. If you analyze data for a living, this belongs in your bookmarks bar. URLs are below. Subscribe at Prism Labs for more security tooling and developer workflow deep dives.